One of the key benefits of the product that we were actually installing is being lightweight did make it a lot easier to get it up to the elevations we were installing on, whereas other materials that we've used in the past were heavy and bulky and would have made it hard to get up to on those elevations. Having the panels pre-drilled absolutely saved time. If we had to drill every hole in those panels, I could see that adding a few weeks onto the install time. The availability of different finishes and colors selections Steni offered is very unique. It's an all-inclusive system. I believe it's 5 different colors, 10 different finishes. We did not have a set pattern, so being able to work with the architectural firm to finalize that design pattern was a group effort by everybody involved, including myself. Everybody worked really well together on that.